Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to change any type of line type in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. In Autocad, line types are very important when you are creating drawings. They help you show different elements clearly. For example, solid lines, dashed lines, or dotted lines. Whether you are drafting a design, creating a layout, or just improving your project, changing line types can make your work look more professional and easier to understand. First, go ahead and draw a line. You can do this by typing line in the command bar and pressing enter. Then click anywhere on your screen to create a simple line. This will be the line we will modify. Next, go to the command line and type LT, which stands for line type. Then press enter. This will open the Line Type Manager window. This is where you control all the line types in your drawing. Inside this window, click on the Load button. This will show you a list of many different line types available in Autocad. Take a moment to scroll through the list. You'll see options like dashed lines, dotted lines, center lines, and more. Choose the line type you want, then click OK to load it into your project. Now that the line type is loaded, select the line you created earlier. Then go to the Properties panel at the top of the screen. Look for the option called Line Type. Click on it, and you will see a list of available line types, including the one you just loaded. Select your new line type. As soon as you select it, your line will change to the new style. If the line doesn't look correct, you may need to adjust the scale, but in most cases, it should update instantly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change line types in Autocad. This simple step can make your drawings clearer, more organized, and more professional. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.